So what's that?
I don't know, but my dad showed me.
Okay, day 4 on working on the Maluch, Fiat 126, whatever the hell you want to call it. But we're going to move the tractor out of the way today, so we're going to give that a shot, see if it works. Okay, so tractor didn't start. Maybe it's a flat battery. We've put the battery on charge. She's going to watch some videos on how to start the tractor. Okay, so I'm going to work back on here. I'm going to take this, what was it? Something to do with the air intake, isn't it? I'm going to take this out of the way so I can get to the return pipe. And I'm just going to change that with a new fuel line. I don't think it's going to help because I didn't actually have a fuel line on here yesterday and I was cranking it over and it just wasn't trying. So I do think maybe it's the fuel pumps had it. I mean, it looks like somebody's cleaned it up and maybe changed gaskets and stuff. But I'll have a look at it if it doesn't start after I've changed this fuel pipe though. The one at the back, I don't know if you can see it there. It is at the back. It's the furthest pipe you can see. I'm going to do that now. Two out. Right, so it's this pipe here I need to change. Okay.
Must be longer.
Right, the old return line's a bit brittle. It's just snapping. Can I get to it from here? I'm going to have to get to it once I jack the car up. Right, so no luck with that pipe at the back. It's all brittle going back to the fuel tank and just can I get into it from here at the moment. It's my last day here in Poland anyway, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Surely to God, the return pipe, if it was going to return any fuel, it would just spit it out. I'll be happy if it just spits it out for now. At least I know it's doing something. But apart from that, I'm going to take this lid off and just have a bit look and see if it's anything that I can see if it's damaged, I should say. It might be absolutely fine, but I don't know. So, got the fuel pump apart. It seems to have a little tear in there. So, can't imagine that's good. So maybe they need a repair part, or it's probably cheap enough just to buy a new pump. It's all crusty inside, so maybe a new pump would be best. Yeah, I don't even think it's worth trying to repair this. If you look on the underside, the top side only had one little hole in it. Where is it there? On the bottom side it's all, yeah, so I think that's the problem. It's not even worth cleaning and putting back. It was going to die.
And then go back.
Right.
Yeah. And one again.
Great, we've been looking for it. driving tractor? Look. Yeah, I can do fields, me, like. I can do fields. Yeah. Bloody hard as hell to control this thing. Everything's under control. Well, Barbara wanted to go now. She kicked us off. Okay, so just looking at what damage I need to repair the next time I come over to Poland. Looks like I've got a hole in the floor. It's never good. Doesn't look like it goes too far. I mean, this looks really good. This looks like it's galvanised. Underneath here needs a bit of work. I mean, that trailer arm. The new trailer now. Might be able to repair it. Never even looked at the front of the car. It was a complete disaster under there. Right, last day. Going home today. It's going to be another 14 weeks before I get to play with the Fiat again. Great. So I'll have the fuel pump by then. But put the fuel pump in. Hopefully I can start it and get this thing moving, turning around. If I end up having to mess around with the carburetor 14 weeks time as well before I can get it started, that's going to be annoying. But hopefully, you know, done the starter motor, got a new battery, got a new solenoid for the starter motor, and got some new fuel lines, got new fuel filter put in. Really, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Like I say, I just hope the carburetor's not pagged. I've got to like waste my time fixing that. I'd rather just get onto the bodywork. Know it's working all right. Get onto the bodywork underneath. It's mainly the two side sills have gone. The wheel arches, basically, I'm going to just get wheel arch repair panels and just repair the whole thing. So there's going to be some body filler in that. And there's some structural support panels actually underneath the floor, which I might just try to make myself, because I can't actually seem to anywhere where I can buy them from. I don't know what the word is in Polish for the panel I need, so I might just make anything. I mean, we've got some, put some of that on. Yeah, that will do. Add to the weight. So yeah, there's also inside here that needs some attention, and that one there needs some attention as well. This back panel is pretty good. I mean, I'll probably take it off, support the engine, take that mount off, take this whole back panel off just so I can get in here and get these two sides welded up. So I think that's there's a box under there. It's a box type. This one's not as good. This one's pretty bad, that one. But this one's not too bad. So there's going to be some fabrication on there. God, I was like, what, 20 when I last done car body fabrication. So should be good. Should be good fun. Oh, I'm just going to get I'll play with the tractor instead. Tractor. Yeah. Fiat. Tractor. Fiat. Tractor. Fiat. Tractor. It looks like it's been resprayed with a, I don't know, orange. I think it originally was yellow. That looks, yeah, that looks yellow, and the top paint looks more orangey. And obviously there's some overspray there on the rubber. When you look at places down here where the rust is, you can't see that old yellow paint anywhere. It all looks like that is the original colour. I don't know. Strange. Maybe. How would that actually? I don't know. I don't know. All the sills are pretty good on here. I know it's dark, but I have looked at this in the daytime. In the daylight, I should say, outside. I mean, that's probably the only rust. It hasn't gone through. It just needs a bit, yeah, flat disc on there and a bit of paint. But yeah, I mean, it seems to match the inside of the car. And it's even got chips on the paint, and you know, there's none of that other yellow colour on there. So I really don't know. I mean, I've got the paint code, and I've been trying to look it up. I just can't find this yellow orangey colour. Strange. I'll sort it out. Maybe it'll be green when I'm finished. I don't know. Yep, paint work all looks good. Oh, this is my cement mixer to build my house. Yeah. Interiors. It's class inside. I like it. Look at that. Look at that paint and the roof. They're very posh. Oh yeah. No cup holders though. Don't know. Does it look better without these plastic doofers on the back? I think so. I think it does.